In the ever-evolving landscape of wearable technology, one name continues to command attention and respect among serious athletes, explorers, and fitness enthusiasts: Garmin. And now, the company is pushing the boundaries once again with its latest innovation and evolution rather than an iteration, the Fenix 8 Pro. This is not just a smartwatch, it's an embodiment of rugged engineering, technical mastery, and intelligent design, all crafted into a single, powerful wrist companion. With a blend of military-grade toughness, premium materials, and new-age smart features, the Fenix 8 Pro signals a bold leap forward for Garmin and, for adventure smartwatches, as a whole. Let's delve into why this watch is generating intense buzz and what makes it stand out as potentially the most advanced multisport GPS smartwatch yet. Next level display. AMOLED arrives on the Fenix Series 1. Of the most immediate and striking updates is the display technology. After years of relying on traditional low-power memory and pixel MIP displays, Garmin has finally brought its vivid AMOLED technology previously seen in its Epix line to the Fenix series. This change alone transforms the user experience. The screen now boasts vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a level of clarity that feels futuristic. Whether you're navigating detailed maps, checking notifications, or analyzing post-workout data, the readability and fluidity are drastically improved. Even direct sunlight is no match for the enhanced brightness and contrast. What's even more impressive is that Garmin managed to maintain a long battery life despite this power-hungry screen, feat that sets the Fenix 8 Pro apart from many competitors. A build that screams endurance and elegance, staying true to its roots. The Fenix 8 Pro remains a tank of a watch, robust and ready for anything. However, it now pairs its brawn with a touch of finesse. Constructed with premium materials like titanium and sapphire, this watch doesn't just survive the harshest environments, it thrives in them. While still sporting Garmin's signature 5-button layout, the watch now includes touchscreen functionality for easier navigation. It's a hybrid design that provides the best of both worlds: tactile reliability and intuitive touch control. New to this generation is a subtle yet important design tweak: a metallic guard that shields sensitive sensors on the side of the watch, enhancing durability without compromising style. Additionally, the buttons themselves have been redesigned for better waterproofing, increasing reliability during underwater dives or rain-soaked hikes. Utility at your fingertips. Integrated LED flashlight. A surprisingly beloved feature carried over from a previous Pro model is the integrated LED flashlight. Though seemingly minor, this tool proves invaluable in real-world scenarios: late-night trail hikes, tent setup at dusk, early morning dog walks, or finding keys in a dark car. Its usefulness cannot be overstated. Once you've used with a built-in flashlight, going without feels like a step backward. User interface. Smooth, modern, and more responsive than ever. Beyond hardware, Garmin has made major strides in its user interface. The Fenix 8 Pro feels modern, refined, and fast. The menus transition smoothly, and a new haptic feedback system gives reassuring vibrations when buttons are pressed, replacing the previous audible clicks with subtle tactile confirmations. A newly introduced quick access notification panel, accessible via a simple swipe down, mirrors the responsiveness of flagship smartwatches. Android users benefit from deeper integration, including image previews and message replies. iPhone users receive slightly less functionality but still gain access to a clear, organized notification center. Voice comes to Garmin. Microphone, speaker, and offline commands. A standout new addition is the inclusion of both a microphone and speaker, on unprecedented move for the Fenix series. These additions enable on-wrist phone calls, access to smartphone voice assistants, and even offline voice commands. Imagine being mid-run and setting a timer or launching an app without touching a single button. Whether you're controlling music, recording a quick voice memo, or asking for weather updates, it's all now possible directly from your wrist. These features transform the Fenix from a rugged fitness tool to a fully functional lifestyle smartwatch. Offline voice control is particularly exciting for adventurers far from cell towers. Commands are basic for now, but highly practical, perfect for workouts, cooking, or note-taking on the go. Precision GPS and advanced health tracking. At the heart of any Garmin device is location accuracy, and the Fenix 8 Pro delivers once again. Equipped with dual-frequency GPS, this watch ensures reliable and pinpoint-accurate tracking. Even in dense forests or urban canyons where signals often struggle, the inclusion of the 5th-generation optical heart rate sensor elevates performance. Metrics to near-chest strap accuracy, whether you're sprinting, swimming, cycling, or trekking across mountainous terrain. The Fenix 8 Pro is your tireless data companion. For the first time in Fenix history, the watch now supports dive tracking up to 40 meters, previously a feature reserved only for Garmin's dive-centric watches. This addition marks a significant leap in versatility, making the Fenix 8 Pro not just an all-terrain watch, but an all-environment tool. Wellness features, health monitoring around the clock. Fenix 8 Pro doesn't just track your workouts, it tracks your life. With features designed to monitor stress levels, sleep cycles, respiratory health, energy expenditure, hydration, and recovery time. It becomes more than a gadget, it becomes a 24/7 health assistant. ECG support has started rolling out regionally, though its global availability is still in progress. In supported regions, it offers insights into heart rhythm irregularities and cardiac health. Garmin's body battery metric has also become smarter, giving more context around recovery and fatigue, helping users make informed decisions about when to rest and when to push harder. Customization and connectivity. The Garmin ecosystem expands. The Connect IQ ecosystem continues to flourish, offering a vast library of custom watch faces, data fields, widgets, and third-party apps. Personalizing the Fenix 8 Pro is simple. Whether you want an ultra-clean interface or one packed with advanced metrics. Offline, music support is available from popular streaming services. You can leave your phone behind and still have a soundtrack for your runs or rides. With support for Garmin Pay, users in supported regions can also enjoy contactless payments on the go. Though bank compatibility still lags behind Apple and Google Pay in some countries. Battery that defies AMOLED expectations. Battery life has long been Garmin's trump card, and the Fenix 8 Pro keeps that tradition alive despite the power-hungry AMOLED screen in real-world use. The standard 47mm model delivers over a week of life even with always-on display, continuous GPS usage, and media playback. The compact 43mm version offers slightly less, while the larger 51mm variant stretches to nearly 2 weeks on a charge. For even more longevity, users can still opt for solar-assisted MIP versions. But the AMOLED editions hit a sweet spot between beauty and endurance. Charging is fast and convenient, reaching 70% in roughly an hour via USB-C. Durability meets sustainability. The Fenix 8 Pro is built to last. Garmin has engineered it with long-term use in mind, and unlike many consumer electronics today, it's not designed for disposal. The battery is rated to maintain 90% capacity after 2 years of weekly charging. Although it doesn't yet use recycled materials, Garmin supports electronics recycling and offers trade-in programs to encourage responsible upgrades. This commitment to sustainability, while still in its early stages, shows Garmin is looking ahead not just to the next product cycle, but to a longer life cycle overall. Pricing, premium product. Premium price with a starting price around $869 and reaching nearly $1,000 for top-tier models. The Fenix 8 Pro is positioned firmly in the premium tier. This places it in direct competition with Apple's UltraWatch 2 and well above Garmin's own forerunner, $965. But value is a matter of perspective. For those who demand the best in multi-sport performance, combined with daily usability and cutting-edge smart features, the Fenix 8 Pro is a compelling investment. This is not a watch for casual users, it's for those who live for data, durability, and dependable gear. If your lifestyle takes you from boardrooms to base camps, the Fenix 8 Pro is the rare piece of tech that thrives in both. Final thoughts. A new standard for adventure smartwatches. The Fenix 8 Pro represents the fusion of Garmin's outdoor heritage with modern smartwatch innovation. By finally integrating AMOLED displays, voice control, improved health metrics, and smart features while preserving durability and long battery life, Garmin has effectively bridged two worlds. It's not just a sports watch, it's not just a smartwatch, it's a survival tool, a health monitor, a digital assistant, and a style statement all worn on your wrist. Whether you're scaling peaks, diving deep, training for triathlons, or simply wanting the best tool to keep you accountable and connected, this could very well be the only watch you need.